Good evening, ma'am. My name is Shaurya and my registration number is 19 BCE 1704. So this is my DA3 and this test folder has Java FX in it. So I'll open my DA3 and this is the whole code where I have specified all the buttons that we have used, and the code executes with registration. It can check details of a specific name which has been entered, and it can also update details. It can display records, and this is the first button which asks for your name, age and gender, and the preferred vaccine, which is Covishield or Covaxin. And after that, the second button does the display thing, which by entering the name it will show the details that if we are vaccinated or not, or whatever the columns are present in our table. The third button is for handling the name and age and updating the status. So it helps us to distinguish between the people who have registered themselves and the people who have gotten vaccinated. So if you are not vaccinated, then if once you get vaccinated, it will change your no status to yes status. After that, the next button handles the display part. So it displays all the queries that are being registered or that are being vaccinated in our code. So I'll just show you the PHP MyAdmin. I have done the database server as my PHP MyAdmin. So I'll start it. So I have my DA3 database in which I have made Coven table. And this is the initial readings that I have stored in my table. Now I'll run my code in the Eclipse IDE. So when I run my code, it shows me an home page like this. So first I'll show the registration part. So when I click on the registration part, as I'll enter the name as new, age is 19, female and Covishield, and I'm not vaccinated because I'm registering for the first time. Then I'll submit it and it shows me that connection was successful and it has been inserted. So I'll check if it is inserted or not in my PHP MyAdmin and will reload my page. So by reloading, I can see that this new row has been entered in my PHP MyAdmin and the code has successfully run. I'll again run my code and go for the next button part. Also, I have included the test cases in my Word file. So when I register and if I don't enter my name, I enter my age and all these things, then it will show that the field is empty because name has been given as a mandatory field in my code. So for the next button, when I go for check details, so I can enter my name as in my PHP MyAdmin. I can enter the name as Shaurya. Let's say my name, Shaurya, and then I'll submit it, and then I'll go back on the Eclipse and see what has been displayed. So it shows all the details of me that I have been vaccinated with Covaxin. I'll again run the road for the other button. So now this time I'll update the details. So we'll also see the part of test cases where it shows that the name field is necessary. So I'll just leave the name field column and I'll enter the ages, let's say 10, and I'll update my status and I'll do submit. Then I'll go to this. It says record was not found because it is a mandatory field. Now I'll again run this code, go for update details, see my PHP MyAdmin page, and then I'll enter the name. Let's say new has been vaccinated now. So I'll enter the name new, his age as 19, and I'll say that yes, I am vaccinated now. So when I submit it, it says that I have been successfully updated. I'll check it again in my PHP MyAdmin page. Yes, now it shows that previously the status was no, and now the status is being shown as yes. So the code has successfully run for that button. Now I'll again run my program and go for the last button option, which is display records. So this display records button will show me that how many people have been registered in our system and how many people have been vaccinated. So I'll click on display records button, and it instantaneously shows me here all the people that have been vaccinated with their details and all the people that have been registered with the details. So we can also verify it from here, as it shows that PQR and XYZ have no status and Shaurya, ABC and New have yes statuses. So this is the whole code that I have written, and I have also included all the test cases and my code in the Word file. So I have specify the initial data in the Coven table, the initial input by registering and by checking form validation, by displaying details of the entered name, and updation of the record has been given. And after that, the displaying record part is also given in the doc file. So I hope, ma'am, that you understood the code that I have written. And thank you, ma'am, for listening. Thank you, ma'am.